was amazing. Disneyland was an absolute blast. But every great adventure has a next chapter. And for us, that chapter begins now. We're leaving the Paris behind, hitching up the caravan, and setting our course for the sun-soaked shores of the south of France. Sometimes the best moments are the ones you don't capture on film. For this leg of the trip, we decided to put the cameras down and just enjoy the ride. We wanted to be in the journey, not just observers of it. So while we have the stats on how long we drove and how far we went, the real story is what happened between those points: the conversations, the unplanned stops, the quiet moments watching the world go by. Right guys, this is our pitch. It's very spacious, but to be honest, the whole camping is enormous. On the pitch, you have a water supply and electricity. Showers and toilets are 40 meters away and being kept in pristine condition.
Bonjour. Just a random stop along the way to Saint-Tropez. What's this? Is that like a steam tractor? Steam tractor.
Oh, tractor.
This is cool.
Yeah, they definitely found a
Ooh, babe, it's wine tasting.
Oh no. This is a real tractor. Oh, this is a Porsche. I did not know Porsche used to make tractors.
It's a Porsche? It's a Porsche.
It's powered by diesel. Porsche diesel.
Super's Export Porsche diesel.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's so cool. Okay, let's go.
That's
Well guys, as you can see, Saint-Tropez said goodbye in style. In our next episode, we will take you on a tour around Cannes, Nice, and Monaco. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next episode.